Are you looking for the best drone? In this video, we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI hasn't had a true budget-minded drone in its lineup for a while, but the Mini 2 SE $339 with remote breaks that streak. This compact flyer offers high-res 2.7K recordings at up to 30 fps, flight times of around 30 minutes, and convenient USB-C charging for both the drone and remote. It doesn't include obstacle detection sensors or all the latest features from its higher-end siblings, but it's still an excellent value in light of disappointing competitors in this price range like the $239.99 Holy Stone HS360. The Mini 2 SE is thus worthy of our Editor's Choice Award for budget-friendly drones, an honor we last gave to the discontinued Mini 2. The Mini series started as a reaction to regulatory restrictions. In the US and many other regions, governing bodies decided that drones that weigh 249 grams, 8.8 ounces, or less are safe to fly without registration. The Mini 2 SE makes that weight exactly, so you don't have to go through the minor hassle of FAR registration. Even without registration, new pilots must still pass a free, online knowledge quiz, the Recreational UAS Safety Test Trust. It's an easy A, as long as you read up on the basics. For more detail, read our primer on drone regulations. The Mini 2 SE isn't far off from other small folding drones in concept. Its arms collapse in for storage to create a 2.3 by 3.2 by 5.4 inch HWD frame. To keep costs low, the drone shares much of its tech with earlier models in the series. Its airframe and motors are from the Mini 2, and its camera is from the original Mavic Mina nose-mounted camera. Supports 2.7K video at up to 30 fps with 8-bit SDR color, as well as JPG and RAW DNG format stills at 12MP. The camera is a step back from the Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro, which offer 4K with wider dynamic range, as well as the option to record vertical video. The Mini 2 says camera records in a 16:9 aspect ratio only, so its output looks best on TVs or YouTube, rather than any of the vertically oriented social media platforms. DJI sells the Mini 2 SE in two configurations. The $339 standard edition comes with the drone, a remote, and the expected cables and accessories. The $489 Fly More combo includes 3 interchangeable batteries, a charging dock that allows you to replenish the batteries in succession, and a zippered shoulder bag to carry your kit. Number 2. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a serious upgrade for the Mini series, and the best compact drone you can buy right now. With its larger sensor, built-in obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes, it packs the performance of larger drones into a compact, convenient package. Although while the Mini 3 Pro is suitable for beginners, its price tag lifts it to more serious and exclusive heights. The tiny and lightweight DJI Mini 3 Pro takes DJI's popular mini drone series to new heights. The original DJI Mavic Mini arrived in 2019, and was followed in 2020 by the DJI Mini 2, which upped the video resolution from 2.7K to 4K alongside other improvements. But it's the Mini Pro 3 that really brings the wow factor to the sub-250 grams Mini series. What's most impressive about this drone is that, despite its teeny dimensions, DJI has managed to include a tri-directional obstacle avoidance system inside it. This makes it one of the best beginner drones around, because it's easier to fly without worrying about mishaps with tree branches. Mini 3 Pro's sensor and camera are also now better than before. It isn't quite a 1-inch drone like the DJI Air 2S, but you do get a 1/1.3-inch CMOS chip that performs very well in good light. The lens's maximum aperture has also been increased to a bright f1.7, while its video capabilities have been vastly improved. Impressively, a firmware update managed to boost the Mini 3 Pro's D-Cinelike mode to 10-bit recording, which means less chance of banding issues if you're color grading footage. If you're just shooting for social media, though, then you'll likely be more impressed by the ability to rotate the Mini 3 Pro's camera to 90 degrees, which lets you capture stills and video in both landscape and portrait formats. Number 3. The DJI Air 2S is no longer new, but it remains one of the best all-round drones you can buy. By combining the compact design of the DJI Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic 2 Pro's image quality, it's a great choice for anyone looking to shoot high-quality aerial videos and photos from a compact drone. The newer Mini 3 Pro is smaller still, but the Air 2S has a larger 20MP 1-inch sensor and squeezes that into a folding design that's still only 595 grams. While the Air 2S is slightly pricier than its predecessor, it's well worth the extra cost. Despite the arrival of the smaller DJI Mini 3 Pro, the DJI Air 2S remains one of the best all-round drones you can buy. While its name suggests an incremental upgrade from the older Mavic Air 2, there are a lot of upgrades in the Air 2S for all kinds of drone pilots, including, most importantly, a 1-inch sensor that's been packed inside an impressively compact drone. This 20MP 1-inch sensor is the Air 2S headline feature and gives it a slight advantage over the Mini 3 Pro, which has a 1/1.3-inch sensor. Compared to the Mavic Air 2, you get improved image quality and a better high ISO response. The Air 2S also lets you shoot 5.4K video at 30 fps, alongside 4K at up to 60 fps, as well as 1080p at up to 120 fps, which opens up significant creative potential for aerial videographers. One of the main differences between the Air 2S and Mini 3 Pro is the size and weight of the respective drones. At 595 grams, the Air 2S is only 25 grams more than the Mavic Air 2, despite its improved cameras.